Hey guys, welcome back to our hairstyling video. So today we'll be making some beautiful hairstyles. So first we will take the hairs in the front and make the plaits as we are doing in this video. Further we will make the plaits at the back by taking equal sections of the hairs from the sides. So after we are done with the plaits, we will further make the plaits of all the hairs on the one side, and then we will roll it up and fold it and fix it using a hairband, and it's ready. Next, we will make the plaits on the top as shown in the video. Now fix the hairs using the rubber band as we are doing. Fold the hairs in the fingers and put the rubber band to make a flower-like structure on the hairs and fix it, and it's ready. Next, we will tie the ponytail on the one side and then divide the hairs in few small sections as shown in the video. Now tie them one by one and fix it. After dividing the ponytail, we will start rolling it upward and make a bow-like shape on the top and then fix it using a rubber band, and your hairstyle will be ready. I hope you liked it. Next, we will tie the hairs as shown in the video. Fix them one by one as we are doing. Follow the steps. Now, we will tie it and then fold it, and it's ready. Thanks for watching. Bye.